Hi, my name is Julia, and I will introduce our new culture media database to you. But first, let's talk about the data. We have more than 3,000 cultivation media recipes, originating from the German and Japanese culture collections. The recipes were automatically extracted from various formats, and the result was manually curated. We transformed the recipes into a standardized database and connected them to more than 40,000 microbial strains that will grow on them. The culture media are displayed in an intuitive web interface that we call BacMedia. It offers various search and filter options. The recipes are strain-specific, meaning that we developed a markup to indicate changes that are only relevant for particular microorganisms. The recipes can be either exported as PDF for printing or directly used on mobile devices. But BacMedia offers more than just recipes. We also provide data that is relevant for ecologists or modeling experts, as well as a number of tools, for example, for community exchange. Standardized data offer new possibilities that we are going to take in the future. They can be connected to other data and are ready to use with artificial intelligence or other mathematical methods. We will make use of the data to predict minimal and improved media, and even media for yet uncharacterized bacteria. Last but not least, if you have any questions or feedback, please come back to me. Contact me at Twitter or by mail, and don't forget to take a look at bacmedia.dsmz.de for your next cultivation project.